Testing, testing. Hi there. My name is Rohan. Today we're going to be learning about how is iron made in real life. Okay, say you're playing on your PS5 or PS4 playing Minecraft, okay? You find some iron ore and you're like, oh, okay, I can just smelt it in a furnace and get it. But have you ever thought or wondered how is iron made in real life? Like, how is this made? How is that made? Well, to be honest, I'll answer your question. So, let's get this video started. So first, let's go back all the way, okay? From the beginning. First, we're going to start at the beginning. So, excavators, right, would dig up the ground to get iron ore. So this is iron ore. Okay? So then the iron ore will eventually be taken to a factory, and then they'll be separated from all the dirt and stone. Okay, so now the iron will now be turned into clumps. Okay? Now let's stop here actually, and let's move back. So also while maybe sometimes excavated here or in any other parts, you can find some coal, and once there's coal, it will be cooked in a furnace almost, okay, and then it will be turned into Coke. Yes, not Coca-Cola. This is not Coca-Cola. This is Coke. Okay, this material. Then we go back to our clumps of iron and this Coke, and then both will be melted together in a blast furnace. Okay? And then it'll be dumped out, and it'll now be turned into molten steel or molten iron or pig iron. Okay? Also in this phase, some people might put in some other metals to make the eventual iron more stronger, like tungsten, titanium, nickel, copper, stuff like that. And they'll be poured in here as well sometimes. Then by the end of that, it will be set with casters. Okay, so with these casters, it will be molded into the shape, and then it'll be cooled down. And once it comes out, it'll be known as a steel alloy, because if it's just made purely, it'll just be called a steel rod or something like that. But if any other stuff is put in here, like I said from the following, nickel, copper, tungsten, titanium, or any other material, then it will be called a steel alloy. And that is mainly how you get stuff like this, or maybe how this apartment here is standing, because it's using iron rods and steel rods and other stuff like that. Okay? Now, that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.